Welcome back to Brooke and Jake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
We are in our new shop.
Yes, we are.
It's a bit smaller.
Yes, it is.
But we're gonna make it work.
Yes, we are.
And we got some new videos for you guys.
Yeah.
So today, our first build in our new shop is a nightstand organizer with Wi-Fi charging.
Yeah.
So, we have nice wood. I don't need anything that's that big, you know. I just need something that will hold all of my everyday carry essentials. So basically, you have your phone, which should have the wireless charging, and then you have, a wallet and car keys, although today I'm not carrying my car keys, and your normal everyday sort of carry items. And being that, we're in a wood shop, those items can add up and things happen.
On your nightstand. They can add up on your nightstand.
So boom. These are things that are just in your pocket that then need to go on your nightstand so they can go back in your pocket the next morning. How that works, right?
That is how guys' pockets work, doesn't it?
I hope so. I guess I don't have enough of your stuff in my pockets to show here, but that's kind of normal. So this is what I'm working with. I think I need walls so that things can't be knocked off. And I don't know if I want compartments or just walls, but this is my start. How would you change it?
So I definitely think that we should trim these down so they're not super tall to have your walls.
Yeah, maybe half height.
Or even less. I really don't think you need
Like
that
a
much
quarter
of a
height?
Yeah, I don't think you need that much of a lip. You just need it enough so that way Nacho won't go. Because he will do that.
Exactly.
That's why I didn't do your phone.
I appreciate that a lot.
The other thing is that your wireless charger is either as thick as this piece of wood or more thick. So I think what you should do is glue two pieces together to hollow out what you need.
I can see that.
And then you can have a level in the middle, and that would almost kind of give you your sections.
My little compartments.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started with our glue up. Breaking news from the Brooke and Jake shop. Jake, tell us how it's going over there.
Well, breaking is the right word, Brooke. We're looking at a catastrophic audio failure. We have a lot of footage to go through where we're gonna be narrating and giving our own commentary. How does that sound, Brooke?
Sounds splendid, Jake. All right, Jake, let's see how they're doing over there.
Well, off to a good start. He has the project in his hands. Looks like he's releasing the wood. Hopefully the wood doesn't release from itself.
What's he gonna do now?
Obviously, he has to make some indentations maybe, or he's just kind of coloring on the wood perhaps, but really looks like he's trying to trace a circle for no real reason.
Ooh, he's got the Dremel out.
Broken out the heavy machinery as we see. This doesn't look very effective for removing wood though.
Does not look good. He's getting up there close to that line that he drew though. Oh, he switched angles.
Oh, it looks like he's trying to cut a chunk out and remove a bigger hunk. It looks like he gave that up pretty quickly though.
Yep, that did not look to be turning out very well there, Jake.
Oh, looks like it's time for a bit change. He broke out a small wrench, I see. Yep, that bit is coming right now.
You gonna go for the same kind or a new kind?
New
kind.
Totally different. Not sure what that purpose is.
I don't know.
I don't think that bit's actually used for removing wood.
Let's see what it's gonna do.
Looks like he's a princess in a candy shop.
What?
I don't know.
That tool does not seem to be working out for him there, Jake.
That tool is doing nothing. Oh,
We got a drill.
this too looks to be doing nothing.
Oh, here we go. That's looking pretty good. That's looking like it's working real nice.
Oh, look at all those wood shavings popping up. That's removing some wood.
Yeah,
Removing it quickly.
He's going a little on the edge there.
It looked like his circle came out pretty close to the edge.
I think he's gonna get a lot of splinters picking all that wood out.
He should probably, wait. Back to the Dremel.
But this didn't work out once before.
Maybe it's just for touch-ups?
Hold up.
Let's see that in a replay. And right here, it just looks like there's too much force and throws the blade off of the spindle.
He decided to change bits then, but left that piece in there.
Yeah, that doesn't seem too safe, but maybe this man has some crazy methods.
This piece seems to be smoothing it out, just not very fast.
Nope, and immediately back to another bit.
That has already broken once on him.
Well, fool a man once, shame on you, fool him twice, and let's face it, he fooled himself.
Got that one right there, Jake.
And we're on to his 17th bit in this clip. Looks like he's
got a sander. Maybe that'll help him a little bit.
How many hands are in this footage? Holy moly. This looks like there's at least 3 people in this shop trying to handle this Dremel.
Well, I'm not sure where you're seeing that third hand there, Jake, but okay.
I did forget my glasses today. It looks like he gave up on getting that perfect sphere.
Yeah, he sure did.
Circle.
Looks like he's going with some clay. Filling that hole. Maybe make it look a little nicer.
You think he's capable of such things?
I'm not so sure about it now.
You've been seeing this man pop up in clips for quite some time now.
It looks to fit. Oh, what's he doing now?
Appears we broke out some form of suede or felt or leather.
Interesting. And we're just gonna glue it right on top of the wood.
Doesn't look like it's very high quality, but it honestly looks pretty clean. What are your thoughts on that color choice, Brooke?
I mean, I like the color, but when you fail, you might as well just cover up your mistakes, right?
Yeah, some might say that, Brooke. Some might say that.
Oh,
wow.
16 hours, that's a long time.
And it's just for a single piece here, Brooke. It looks like they did not buy the right type of glue, but it is sticking. And he's doing a little cleanup so it sits flat. Smart. Smart right there.
Seems a little dangerous with that razor blade real close to your fingers.
Oh, he looks to be fully in control of that. I mean, they don't call it safety blades for a reason. Where does the safety come in? In me handling it? In Jake handling it? Or in a weird tool you attach it to?
In a weird tool you attach it to for sure.
You say so, Brooke.
Looks like we got a glue up going.
These are those 2 edge pieces we saw earlier in the video when they still had audio. It looks like he's just flushing them up. Oh, now we have more than 2 sets of hands.
Yeah, we got a lot of hands in this video.
I was still wrong.
And we're using a drill to hold it down.
Oh, is that what you think that purpose is there?
Looks like we had another 16-hour dry time as well for the glue.
That's a lot of dry time.
We have yet another glue up.
And something tells me this won't be our last. I don't know how you could glue up 2 sides going in opposite directions at the same time now.
I'm not really sure, Jake. Let's see if they can do it.
1 clamp coming in. And glue going down.
Sides.
One at a time. I wonder what happened to end pieces on the far side. Kind of an interesting concept change.
Just kind of disappeared.
Yeah, they did.
Looks like they could not get that other side glued down at the same time. Got another 16-hour glue dry time.
And we're going back to live. I hear that the studio is back up and audio has returned. Let's go see what that final piece looks like. All right, so it's time for the final test.
Yeah.
See if it'll Wi-Fi charge or not.
I'm nervous.
My money's on no.
Same.
With the case. I think without the case, I'm at like 95% sure it will.
Okay. Yeah,
Where
I'm just a hard no.
You're a hard no, hold
yeah.
on. Well, ye of little faith, I don't have my phone.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
First step of charging your phone is to have your phone.
All right. Test number 1 with the case.
Test number 1 with the case. Ready? Nothing.
Sometimes you just set it on there a certain way. When I've done it with my phone, like I had to put it on there a specific way, which was kind of weird.
Which I can feel the puck right here.
Yeah.
What if I go sideways?
Should I go down a little further?
All right.
All right.
Test number 1.
That is
Right.
a fail.
Fail. I still have high faith.
All
High
right.
hopes, high chances, high faith.
Test number 2, without the case.
And let me just go ahead and say it now, that even if this doesn't Wi-Fi charge, this was still something that made me happy when building it. I broke my curse.
Way to go. How annoying is it gonna be to have to take your case off every single night to charge your phone? Although you're not supposed to charge your phone overnight either.
Right. But also, like,
Are we gonna try it with the middle case? All right, we got a new test. Test number 2 with the middle case.
yeah, because the first case broke or something. Not sure. Don't think it's supposed to do that, but
All right, nothing's happening.
yep, that's fair.
Yeah, test number 2. Test number 2
2
was another fail. I said
Yeah.
test another 2.
Uh,
Oh, it's your magnet.
could be. Could be. We'll find out.
All right, we got lots of tests apparently.
Test number 3.
No case at all.
No case at all. Will it charge?
Yes! Okay, so now you have to try it without the magnet though, because I have had that problem too. Like I had to take my case off last time because it wouldn't work with the magnet.
All right, we'll test it. Either way,
Case. Yeah.
at the current moment, I'm just buying a new case.
I mean, it
because
works.
I gotta use my own build, so it must be the problem with the case.
Uh-huh.
All right.
It was the magnet.
It was the. I don't know. This
This is our car magnet.
Well, it's used for like the magnet that's in our car, but
Yeah.
I think it's just thin aluminum.
But it interferes with the
adds-
charging.
Yeah. It adds enough blockage to it.
It works.
It does
I
work.
should not have been so pessimistic.
Yeah, you should have had
That's
faith
the right
in our own build.
I should have.
You should have
I
been
apologize. I'm glad it works. I hope you like it because this is your nightstand build, so I hope you're pretty happy with it.
I feel highly successful because it worked and because it charged, but also because you were there with me. You helped me pick all this out and cut this out, and I always love getting back in the shop, so I'm glad we're back in the shop,
Me too.
making projects and more stuff to come, right?
Yeah. Remember to do something that makes yourself happy every single day. Thanks for
Goodbye.
watching. Breaking news from BrookeNJake Make. Let's check on Jake.
Their shop! Broke it so bad that there's no sound for these next clips, but you have us.
That sounds bad. Well, Jake, I've never done a commentary before, so let's see how this goes.
You came out so hard southern. Holy cow! Since when do you sound like that? We've lived here for like a month and a half. Well, Jake. I've never done a commentary before. How about we give it a go? Oh no! Yeah, you got lots of crying. Don't touch anything. Too late.
Is it bad? That's a yes, I need to go touch that.
There's a lot more than touch up. You should have used waterproof. But what do we have in store for them, Brooke? We have our narrations that we're gonna do that we've never done before. So that's what we'll do. Because we narrate. And let's jump into the video. Breaking indeed. It appears they've broken the sound barrier and lost their audio. Fear not, though. Why? Tell me why they shouldn't fear, Brooke. Because we're here. Ha 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 ha. I was gonna be the Dremel the whole time.